In this video, I'll show you how you can use Twitter for affiliate marketing, and I'll show you 2 different ways that you can promote products like this one here, the 21-day rapid weight loss program, on Twitter for free. Stay tuned for the second way, because even though it does take more time, you are going to get more results and send thousands of targeted traffic to your offers. So we're promoting here the Smoothie Diet, a 21-day rapid weight loss program, which is on ClickBank, which is an affiliate marketplace with tons of affiliate products. So here is this product. It is a Smoothie Diet product and people can buy it for $37. And that's the first thing I would say is when you're promoting with Twitter, make sure the product is a decent price that people can impulse buy. You'll see products on ClickBank for hundreds of dollars and people aren't going to buy those from going from Twitter. So you need a product which people can impulse buy. So this Smoothie Diet is a perfect offer. So I'm going to click on promote and then we can get our tracking ID after we enter in our username here. Right, so now we've got our ClickBank affiliate link. Now we can go ahead and promote this on Twitter. Now, something that's very powerful about Twitter, and this is the first method, is the Twitter search engine. So if I go to Twitter and type in any keyword like I need to lose weight, it will then search all of Twitter for people who are searching for this keyword. So I need to lose weight. So now if we filter by latest, we can see all of the people who have recently just typed in on Twitter or posted a tweet saying I need to lose weight. So here you've got someone saying I need to lose about 1 kg and I'll be back to my strat weight. I need to lose weight, I'm getting a gut. I need to lose weight and get another haircut before my graduation pic. So these are all people who want to lose weight. Now the great thing about Twitter, we have a problem right here. And right here we have a solution to that problem. And all affiliate marketing is getting your solution in front of people who have a problem. So their problem is they want to lose weight, and this product here solves that problem for them. So now you need to go ahead and copy your affiliate link. Now what I would do is shorten this, because this is a long ClickBank link. Now a free way to shorten it is by going to tinyURL. You can then paste in your ClickBank link. You can make that a tiny URL. So you can share just this link with people on Twitter. A paid way is to go ahead and buy a domain, but I'm not going to cover that in this video. We'll keep things simple and free. So once you've copied your link, you can then go and reply to these, and you can basically say, hey, look, I was also in that same position, but I used this Smoothie Diet and I lost about 4 pounds in a week, or just something like that, right? So here's an example of something you would write. I would also recommend adding a profile picture so you look like a real human and you don't look like you're just a robot spamming the same message everywhere. You can also, in this case, add media, so you can get like weight loss transformation pictures, and you can insert GIFs as well if you want to. So this is method number 1. Remember, I'll show you method number 2 in a second, which is a bit better. But method number 1 just involves you replying to these tweets, saying you have a solution to their problem, and linking your product. And you could do this for all different types of products, depending on what niche it's in. So method number 2 is to create Twitter threads. So if you go to Twitter and if I just search make money online, like I'm in the make money online niche, so I see a lot of these make money online threads. Now these Twitter threads can be created with a free AI bot, which I'll show you how you can do it in a second. So if you don't know what a Twitter thread is, here's a perfect example of a Twitter thread. Now a Twitter thread can be about anything. It's just essentially a thread of tweets. This one is only 2 tweets long, which gives some value and, it just helps people. So this is a great example of a Twitter thread. Now, I don't know why they have this really weird graphic. I guess that's part of the thread. But this is a Twitter thread about making money online. And this person's posted different ways they can make money online in this Twitter thread. And these are all getting engagement. And these are all targeted people who are viewing these tweets. Now, you can create these similar Twitter threads in the make money online niche or in the weight loss niche using ChatGPT. So if you go to ChatGPT and you open a new chat and you say, create a Twitter thread about how to lose weight. ChatGPT is then going to create your Twitter thread for you, which you can go ahead and just post on Twitter. Now, the thing is with Twitter threads, you have to be within the character limit. So this is tweet number 1, it's writing right here. Then you've got tweet number 2, and it's going to keep going on and creating a long Twitter thread for you. So you will copy tweet number 1. You would then go to your Twitter, you go to tweet, paste in number 1. Then you can click on this button here and add another tweet, and that's where you would add tweet number 2. So paste that in. Might need a little bit of editing. And then you can do the same thing here for tweet number 3. And you can see ChatGPT, I think it's writing 5 different tweets. Now on the 6th tweet, you could say, you can also try out the smoothie diet. Here is the link. And what you would do is you'll copy this. And then let's say this is the 6th tweet. So you could say another way to lose 4 pounds quickly is to follow the smoothie diet and then paste in your link here. So that way you're creating a Twitter thread full of value. And then at the end, you're just simply plugging your affiliate link. You can then create a Twitter profile in your niche like this person here. So they're tweeting about how they grew their lead gen agency. With only 2,000 followers, by the way. You can then post multiple Twitter threads a day and send targeted traffic to your affiliate offers.